Yeah, what's up, guys? So, in this video, I shall walk you through on how to perform the say task in the Bitget wallet. So, first of all, make sure you already downloaded the Bitget wallet. So, what Bitget wallet are we talking about? This is the Bitget wallet. So, if you don't have it, make sure you get it from Play Store. You go to the Play Store and then search for Bitget wallet. Search for Bitget wallet, and that's that. So this is the one we are going to be looking at. So this is the Bitget wallet we shall be looking at. So make sure that you get the correct wallet. So make sure you download the wallet, and after you have downloaded the wallet, you should go right straight to create your account. You can either import an existing account if you already have an account on some other wallets, maybe MetaMask or Trust Wallet or SafePal. You can actually import using your seed phrase, or you can just create a new one, entirely new wallet. And then that's that. Make sure you have an exchange where you can buy say from Binance. You can have Bitget exchange. There's this one called Bitget exchange. Bitget has both exchange and wallets, so we shall be looking at the Bitget exchange. So this is the exchange where you're going to be buying the say if you don't have say already. But if you already have if you have say, SEI, so you keep it. So that's why we're going to perform this task on. So now we're going to jump right straight into this video. Now, first thing you need to do is open, after creating your account, doing everything you need to do, just come right straight to this place. Just come to this place, home. When you get to home, come to earn. You can see this earn here. Come to earn here. So this is the list of tasks that are available on Bitget currently. These are tasks that are open. So there are so many tasks here, but the one we are going to be focusing on is this. We are going to do everything one after the other. I shall release a video on everything, all the tasks here. So, but this is one we shall be looking at. So as you can see, I talked about SEI. So we are going to be interacting with SEI blockchain or SEI Mainnet. All right. So what do we need to do now? We have to get a SEI. Find a way to buy a SEI. It's either you use Binance to get it or you use Bitget Exchange. So look at Binance. So that's why I say there are so many ways you can actually get it, or so many exchanges. So let's look at what Binance has here and see if we can actually get it from Binance. Oh, I need to log into my Binance account. Alright, so this is it. So we are currently on Binance. So as usual, I go to wallet and go to sports, then come to withdraw. Let us see if withdrawal is open on Binance. So say, alright, so withdrawal is open. So open it, send via crypto network, then make sure that the network is showing say. Make sure that it shows say. Then this is where you paste your address and everything. All right, so which address are we going to copy? Now you have to open your Bitget wallet. Come to wallet section that is down here. As you can see, when you come to wallet, so make sure that you are on say blockchain. So you can see that, just click on it. If it's not there, just type say. Please select this for now. Select say for now, not V2, just normal say for now. Just select normal say. That is one we are depositing on. You understand? So when you have selected that, you now come to this place and copy the address. Please make sure you select the correct one. Come to receive and then copy the address, and that is that. So when you copy the address, you now go back to Binance or any exchange you want to use to buy, make your purchase. Just come here, paste your address here, and then you complete the rest of the withdrawal, and after some time it will be deposited into your wallet. So that's that, and that is all it is to depositing say from exchanges. Now the next thing is, let's get right straight into the task. So let's look at it. Now I have deposited my say. So as you can see on this video, as you can see here, I have deposited 63 say. I already have some other say somewhere, so but I just want to make use of this one for now, just for the purpose of this video. So let's get back to the task. Go back to the task, come to home, come to earn, and then let's look at the task. This is the task, so just click on the task and it's going to load up. So the first thing is this. So we need to complete this task step by step. Now we have deposited say. Look at it. If this one says verify say assets, the say in the wallet balance on the SEI V2 Mainnet is equal to or greater than the value of $10. So that's why I deposited $16. So around 25 say, as at the time they put up this write up. So but now I don't think it's that 25 say. All right, so all we just need to do now is click on interact now for us to complete this very one. So when you have clicked on that, we're now going to look at the next thing we need to do. All right, so these are the different tasks that we need to perform. First of all, you do this, click on this start interaction to follow them on X. Oh, my Twitter has been blocked. Oh wait, let me unblock it. So let me solve this puzzle and get it unblocked. All right, submit. All right, okay, continue. All right, so that's it. So come to this place. So you can see I'm already following them. Go back. Now second task says go to Bitget Exchange. I don't know why they say Bitget Exchange, but I think you can actually buy from any exchange. Go to Bitget Exchange to buy say on the SEI V1 Mainnet first. Users who do not have say, please go to okay, I'm done. All right, so this one I've already done that, so but I can just click on it just for the benefit of doubt. It will tell you that the wallet does not support switching to many selected minutes. So all right, don't worry about this. Now go to the second one, the third one. Now third one says transfer the say you deposited from Bitget. Now click on start interaction. So we're going to migrate, do a sort of migration. So add. So we shall be migrating from V1 to V2 now. So the first thing you need to do is when you come here, click on launch app. All right, remove this. Okay, click on say. Okay, yeah, click on say, and then agree. I think it is connected now. So the very next thing you need to do is to click on this I am human. Oh come on, I can't be asking if I'm human. Does robot use phone? Okay, that's the way. All right, so you have to select the entities that are taller than the sample object. Come on, what is taller than this young man here? I think a giraffe. I think that's all. Oh, come on, not all. A giraffe. I think that's 105. So the next thing you need to do, you'd want to do is link your addresses. Please make sure you click on link address so that you can link your V1 and V2. Alright, so that's that. So now look at what I want to do here. This is what I asked us to do. So please come and copy this your address here. You see this address? Not EVM address, say address. After you have linked your address, it now displays you another address. This is another address. This is SEI V2. The former one you used to deposit, that was V1. So this one now is V2, and that is the address you are going to copy. So when you copy this address, you now have to go back and then complete the next task. So let's go back. So we have copied the address now. So we need to complete this task, we need to go back and make some deposits. All right, so remember we have copied the address, and the address you start with, say, already this is it here. Oh, so no, it's not. So please come back to this place. Don't make any mistake about this. Come back to this place. Are you with me? Select, type say. We are going back to V1. So this is V1 and this is V2. So we want to transfer from V1 to V2. Do you understand? From V1 to V2. That's what we want to do. So click on the V1, say, that is where we have the balance. Now we're going to go to send. So I have 63, so I'm going to send like 62. So I'll just leave the rest there for transaction fees. So I'm going to paste the address here, and I will now enter the, I have 63, but I'm going to enter 62. So confirm, and then verify the transaction, and after that you will now have to go back to that place to confirm we have actually completed the task. All right, so that's that. Transfer 62, say. So I think it's there already. So go back again. Now we'll now go to V2. Now go to V2. You will see that the asset is there. So wait for some time. Wait for some time. I don't know why it takes this. It doesn't take this long. All right, it's there. So you can see it now. Please don't copy your EVM address. Don't copy this address that is here. No, do not copy. If you copy this address and you are transferring from that say V1, I don't know, but it may not, you may lose your fund. So make sure you go right through that video and copy the correct address. Please, let's stay safe. You understand? All right, so that's that. All right, so now the next thing we need to do is, we have done that. Now from henceforth, now and in the subsequent tasks we shall be performing, we shall be interacting with V2, I believe. So now let's go back, let's get back to the task again, open it up again, and this is it, the first one. We are still doing the first task, remember. All right, so now the next thing we need to do, I think we have completed everything. This last one, we have completed it already. So you just say to confirm that the balance is up to $10. So start interaction, and that's the actual thing we need to start doing. So not, no, just click on verification. It says task not verified. Why? Come on, I've done all the tasks. So give it some time, refresh it. So refresh it and try again. It says task not verified. That's fine. Let's give it some time. All right, so we are going to try it again to verify the task to see if it is verified. Okay, so click on, once you are done, make sure you click on verification. That is very, very important. It's very, 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 very important. So you can see interaction completed. Congratulations, you have successfully completed the interaction. You will need to wait for a period before claiming a reward again. So this is very paramount. It is essential to you receiving your reward. So make sure that you complete it. So each time you click on verification, you're going to receive an NFT. So that is going to reflect, showing that you have actually completed this interaction. All right, so let's go to the second one. Now we are done with this. So we're going to look at this. We're going to look at this one. So what does it say? It says deposit assets on yen and share something what of. Deposit assets on yen. There is no limit to what we can deposit, but let us see. So click on interact now. So this very one is about following on Twitter. So We basically need to follow them on Twitter, follow this particular project Twitter page. So as you can see, I'm already following them. So you ensure you follow them too. Then after that, the second one says the same thing, do for Discord too. So I have done that already. I think it's going to ask you to activate your Discord or something. Well, I believe I have done that. So now the last one says deposit. Okay, now this is the detail. This is the detail of what we have to do. So it says deposit a minimum of $10 USDT or USDC or say on yen and share up to $225,000 worth of yen points with 15% extra point boost. So that is that. So we basically need to deposit up to $10 worth of say, and that will be how many say? It should be around $10 worth of say. It should be, yeah, I think $10 worth of say should be around maybe 30, 40 say or 50 say. So I'm going to deposit 100 say. I have some say on my balance before, so I'm going to make use of it. So make sure you select Bitget wallet. Alright, so here now I have so as you can see here, I have balance of 101 say. Yeah, I had some say there before. So I'm going to deposit 95. I'll just wrap it up. So after this, you click on wrap. So when you click on wrap, it's going to wrap it up for you. So you just have to sign the transaction. You sign the transaction, and after some time, when the transaction is confirmed, you will now go on to do the actual. Okay, I think everything is done. Okay. So let me see what else I need to do here. I think that's that. That's that. Come on, hold on, I'm coming. Let me check something. Okay. If you want to see the detail of what you added, click on view detail. So this is the detail of, we need to find a way to view our deposited say, because it's very important. Please, you can click on allow analytics or what they call it, so the thing can move out of your page. So we need to find our say, because we need to remove it, withdraw it, so we can still use the same fund to complete the rest of the tasks. Oh, come to your info. So you're going to see, oh, we haven't actually supplied, we have just wrapped it. It's now on WSA, so we're going to supply. Yeah, we're actually going to supply it. To supply say, not WSA. So we're supposed to supply this, not this. We are supposed to supply say, not WSA. No, we're supposed to supply this. So we have to withdraw it back. The thing we need to do is come to this place. You can see this. Just come to this place. Click there. Then go to dashboard. Go to dashboard. So what we want to do now is we actually want to withdraw the say that we supplied, because we are going to be needing it for some other tasks. Since we don't actually have enough fund, so we need to withdraw the say that we actually deposited or supplied. So it is very important for us to be able to do the rest of the tasks. So what we're going to do now is we just go right straight to, so we're going to see the supplies, we're going to go right straight to withdraw. So but before we withdraw, we need to ensure that we have completed the task by clicking on verification. Already you can see it's showing completed, but just for the benefit of doubt, please make sure you click on verification. So click on verification and give it some time so you can see it's completed. Okay, now we have to, oh come on, we needed to withdraw our say before this was completed. You see the mistake I made? I'm supposed to withdraw this say before it was completed. Now there's no way to go back again and complete this. You see the problem we run into now? We are supposed to withdraw the say, but the interaction button is no more showing. So what can we do? All right, so thank God that we follow them on Twitter. So let's go to their Twitter page and look for the link. So this is their page. We hope we're going to get it. Yen.finance. Let's see. So let's copy this. So click on it and then copy it. So I'm going to open it now and come back to this place. See, when you run into this kind of problem, just come back to this place and do it this way. So what we're going to do now is we're going to come to discover. Down here, you're going to see discover. So go to discover, just as we used to do before. You come to this place and paste the link, search for it. So it's going to take us to that place again. So we can actually withdraw the this thing that we deposited. So that is that. So enter and then complete everything. I hope this is the right one we did before. So let's launch the app first. Because okay, yeah, that's that. So click on connect. So click on connect. And then you go back to where we came from. So now it's time for us to go back to go visit, to go to this now go to this place, go to dashboard, and then we have to go to withdraw. So you can see the amount we supplied. So we're going to go to withdraw to remove it. Withdraw. So it's going to ask us to switch to say. So click on switch to say. Please switch to say. So click on switch to say and all that. Connect. Alright, so now the next thing we need to do is we need to enter amount we want to withdraw, but I want to click on maximum. I want to withdraw everything. You can see maximum, so click on that place. Then wait for it to come. Approve to continue. Alright, so when you have done that, you wait for it to come. Then you click on withdraw. Alright, confirm. Alright, so when you have done that, you can now close. Alright, so I believe that is all. So we have completed the task. Now for the benefit of doubt, you can still go back and check if it still shows completed now that we have withdrawn. So this is the task we completed. So it was this task that we completed. So I have to go back to it again and ensure that it is still indicating that the task is still completed. is completed. So just click on verification. So you see it cannot be completed repeatedly, so that means the task has been counted completed. So we have done this. Now we're going to go to the third one. We're going to look at this. All right, so this one says we should stake at least 45 say, just 45 say. There's no dollar worth of it, just 45 say. So all you just need to do is you click on interact now. Now when you click on interact now, you can see the series of tasks you need to perform first. So first of all, you have to follow them on Twitter. I'm already following them on Twitter, so I'll have to go back. On Discord too, I'm already doing that, so I don't need to repeat it again, but you should do that. Okay, it seems it's asking for something. Let me see. Okay, so I've already done that, so I don't need to accept again. So see, the good news about this is that you can actually do this for multiple wallets. It doesn't matter. You see, I don't need to click on it. Just click on it and come back, click on it and come back, click on it and go back. So it will be counted as though you actually followed, even when you know that you did not follow them. So this is a very important tactics for you to be able to run multiple wallets on this very task. So the next thing we have to do is join them on Telegram. Click on it and see if you're going to Telegram. I'm not going to Telegram, so I have to go back. All right, so the last task, the fourth task now, it says that we should stake at least 45 say. So make sure you have that in your wallet. So click on start interaction, connect your wallet, Bitget wallet, connect, connect. You can add, no problem. So we are looking at staking, right? So I can't click on maximum. I just want to stake. I just want to stake 95. We have to stake 45, but I'm going to stake 95. So that's that. Submit. Confirm. Alright, so successfully staked. So I'll just have to go back and click on, always remember to come back to this place and click on verification. So verification is completed. Now we have staked 40. I staked 75, 95, but you are asked to stake 45 say. Now it simply means that you can actually stake anything above 45, but 45 is the minimum. Now we need to unstake so that we can actually use it again to perform other tasks. So click on that start interaction, go back to that place. So you can see my NFT is received, congratulations on completing, and so on and so forth. So just connect wallet, Bitget wallet, connect and connect. Okay. Now what we're going to do now is harvest. We have already staked. Now go to harvest. It doesn't matter. So confirm. So after it has harvested, successfully harvested. So we're going to go back now. So that's that. So you can see click on it again to tell you that the task has been completed. So you can see this task cannot be completed repeatedly. All right. So I've done this, I've done this, and I have done this. We still have a little long way to go. We still have 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, this task is, you can choose the ones you want to do, but the more tasks you complete, the more the reward. So look at this one, it's a very simple one. So just click on it, let's see what it says. So let's see what this one says. All right, so just click on start interaction. You can see I'm already following them on Twitter. So I'm already following them on Twitter, so I don't need to do that again. On Telegram too, I'm already following them, so I really don't need to do that again. So now this next one says enter the goblin experience, that this and that and that is the first tap to end project. So this is actually tap to end project, so this very one. So make sure you click on it and you can actually start the tapping. So you can see it's verified by Bitget wallet. So I'm going to go back to the task and tell them that I've completed the task. Let me see what they will say. If you say oh not yet completed, so instead of waiting, let's continue with other task. Later on we'll come back again and check. So now let's go to the next task so we don't waste time. This one says deposit liquidity of any value to the current approaches selected pools on Dragonswap and get 50% extra points. Alright, so we're going to click on interact now. So this one is all about providing liquidity. So it's about providing liquidity. So as usual, follow them on Twitter. Follow them on Twitter. Then the Dragonswap. Uh, okay, so I've already done that, so I don't need to do it again. Then this one, now the third one, it says deposit liquidity of any value, say slash I say or FS blah 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 blah. Okay, so we're going to look at it. So we either deposit say and I say or FXS slash say. It says on of any value, so it doesn't give us, it doesn't specify any minimum that we have to stake. So just click on it and then it's going to take us right straight into the app. So now it is very important for you to know that you have say, but we need to add liquidity. So let's first of all close. Let's check out the available liquidity pools here. Launch app. All right, so now we need to check out the available liquidity pool here. So go to the pool. Let's see available liquidity pool. So you can see we have a couple of liquidity pools, but we are asked to use this, or there's one other one again. It's either use this or use this, I guess. Check it very well. So I'm going to be using this. Now we already have say, but we don't have I say. So how do we get I say? So we have to swap some say to I say, and then we'll add it as liquidity, and that is that. So I'm going to click on swap to swap some of my say into I say. So select, make sure this is showing say, and make sure this one is showing I say. So I'm going to click on that and select I say. So you can see I say here. So is the staked say that I'm using. So I'm going to swap. I have 92, so I'm going to swap like 45 to say, so that I can add both as liquidity. So I can add both as liquidity. So confirm the transaction, and that will be that. You just have to swap after this if it doesn't swap automatically. Okay, it's asking us to swap, so now we can swap. So the essence of this is liquidity pool means adding two tokens at the same time. So we're asked to add say, and we're also asked to add I say. So we already have I say from this one we staked, so we're going to swap it back to say. So instead of, we have 92 I say, so I'm going to swap part of it into say, so that I can now add both of them at the same time, and they must be equal. So if you are adding five ice, for example, $5 worth of say, you must use the same $5 worth of ice say when you're adding liquidity. So we're now going to look at the liquidity pool. Remember, this task is all about adding liquidity. Yes, so let's look at this pool. So this is liquidity pool. So we're going to click on it, and then we're going to come look for it. So this is it, I say and say. So click on it to open the liquidity pool. Am I right? All right, yeah, right. So this is it. So make sure that it is I say and say that you're on to. All right. So scroll all the way down to this place and click on maximum. Just come to this place and click on maximum. It will automatically select for this. In case it tells you that the balance is not sufficient, just find a way to fix it, and then just reduce it so that thing can fix. Then after that, click on approve. Approve I say. So when we're done with all these things, when we're done adding liquidity, we're going to go back and make sure we click on verification to ensure that it is counted. And remember, there is one we left unverified, so we're also going to look at it and find out if it's verified. Alright, so this is just going to take some time for it to be completed. So after that, we are going to come back again to click on add liquidity. Add liquidity. So enter your verification and all that. Enter your verification and all that. So now we have added the liquidity. So let's go back right straight into it. Click on verify. No, it says not verified. Don't worry, so let's remove our liquidity. So come to this place, click on remove liquidity, and then drag this line to this place 100%. So we're going to see it here. Now we now click on approve. Now click on remove liquidity. So it's actually gonna take some time to complete, but sorry, but it's gonna be a very simple one. So that is it. This task is a very simple task. All you just need to do is you understand your way about the app. So successfully removed. Now we have removed the liquidity. So please go back to swap. We are going to do some swaps now. Back to say, because that's what I'm going to be using for the rest of the task. So now having done that, we're now going to next task. Let's now look at what the next task is. Okay, now look at this. We have two more tasks here left. We have this and this. This one requires us to stake, but you have to, before you do this one, first of all, let's do this first, because this one will require us to stake for at least minimum of 1 day. So if you are planning to use the same fund for the rest of the tasks, that means you wouldn't want to do this one first. You would want to do this one last. So we're going to look at this now. We're going to look at this task now. So this one is also about adding liquidity. So we're going to add liquidity as usual. Perform different tasks. Start interaction. Follow them on Discord. And all that. Then we now go to this task now. So it says deploy a minimum of $1 say in liquidity into WSay/Jelly pool for a chance to blah 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 blah. So we are going to be needing don't worry, we are going to use our say, the say that we have. So we're going to be needing JLY, that is jelly. So, oh come on, no, we can't click on verification yet. We have to click on start interaction. Alright, connect wallet. then come to this place. Oh, the wallet is not automatically connected. Wow, not bad. So what we're going to be needing, what we need to do now is come to swap. Here, swap. Let's convert some of our SEI into this. So we're going to be needing, like, let me say 40 SEI. So I'm going to put 40 SEI, minimum of $1 SEI. So $1 SEI is around maybe 3 SEI. No, it's around that 5 SEI. Let me just say 5 SEI or so. So we don't need to really worry about it. So click on preview and then swap. Alright, so I've converted this to some jelly. So now I'm going to go to pool. You can see down here you have pool here. So now go to pool. So go to pool now, look for the pool we are looking for. Authorize. Alright, so I have successfully supplied liquidity to this pool. I will now go back and see if the verification will work. Let's now click on verification. So click on verification and let's see. Okay, so this one is verified. Alright, so now we can now go back and remove the pool. So we can now go to the last task. So you can see I've received my NFT here. See notification here, NFT received. Alright. Okay, so let's now remove the pool that we supplied, and then after that we will have to swap it back to the jelly, back to SEI, and then we use it to now do the very last task. So now if you want to remove liquidity, you are going to see this. So click on remove liquidity. Removing the liquidity, just come to this place, drag it to 100%, or you can just come here and click maximum. Any of them, anyone works fine. Now you now go to preview, and then confirm and withdraw. Confirm and withdraw. Alright, so that is done. Now we'll now go to swap it back to the jelly, back to SEI. So I'm going to select SEI here. So the reason I'm doing this, I don't have enough SEI for the next task, so I will need to get back my SEI so I can actually use this for the next task. So that is basically the reason. It is important I swap it back. Alright, so now I'm going to wait for it. Just wait for this thing to come up. And when it comes up, we now proceed. So we can see preview. We now go to preview. Now approve jelly for swapping. Then after you have approved the jelly for swapping, complete the swap, we'll now go to the final task, which is another staking. But this time around, compulsorily we'll have to stake. So let's first of all complete this one, and then we'll now go to the next one. Alright, so I have successfully swapped it. So now I can now exit this task and go to the next one. So just for verification, when you click on it, you can see that it is still verified. Alright, so now we'll go to the next one, which is the last. So we are going to look at this one, which is the last one. So we have done this, we have done everything. So we're going to now look at this one. So what is this all about? This one is all about staking again. Now you're going to see the reason. We are looking at what's the name of the task? We are looking at the Duckgang task. So As usual, follow them on X, that is Twitter. I'm already following them, so I don't really need to do any other thing. Then the next thing we have to do is click on Start Interaction. So I've already done this, so I don't really need to come back to this again. So I'm gonna still go straight into the staking. So what does this say? Please always read the instruction. It says take at least $10 worth, not 10 say, $10 worth of say. So it's now up to you to find out what $10 worth of say is. Come to this place and click on connect. Just connect your wallet. Now it's connected. Now come to stake. It's very simple. Stake. Come to stake. Then scroll all the way down to this place. Come to stake here. Alright, so let me just take out of the 99, let me just take, let me stake like 96. So let me stake 96. So this very one, I just want to stake it, and then I will now select the duration. Select one day. If you are planning to do more than one wallet, please select just a day. If you are planning to do more than one wallet and you don't have enough funds, select one day. You understand? So that's that. So but I just want to do, let me just select like 90 days for example, and I'll click on stake. So hopefully this is gonna be the last wallet I may do. I've done some other wallet before, so it's gonna be the last wallet I will do. You are now earning airdrop points. So this thing is actually very good because it will give you more opportunity to earn airdrop points for this very program. Alright, so with that I come to the end of the video. Before then, please don't forget to click on verification. That's very important. Verify. So you can see it's verified. That's good. So don't forget to like and subscribe. So that you can get prompt updates for the next upcoming videos. So for the rest of the Bitget tasks, you can actually see that we still have a couple of tasks left. Now let's quickly take a look at them, scan through them. You can see that we still have this one that just came up today. This one, we're still going to look at it, this fair launch tool. So I'm going to upload the videos on them soonest. So make sure you like, you subscribe, and then you keep your notification bells and buttons on, so you can always receive timely updates each time I drop another video on any airdrop. Thank you very much, and do have a nice day. So see you again in the next video.